Hello, in this video I want to show you how to access a battery slot on Insta360 Ace Pro. And to do this we'll need to look on the right side of our camera, and right here you can find the button, or actually level, whatever it is, however it's called, and simply push it down like the arrow shows right there. And that way you'll be able to open the battery slot. Inside you can find this paper clip and simply remove the battery if you want. If you want to reinsert it, make sure that it aligns with the battery slot like this and slide it in. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.